Hi guys, Marcus from SpotX Underwater Vision here. I've been talking a lot lately about live streaming and the hardware and workflows to get you online. Today I thought I'd show you another piece of hardware, another option you can use to live stream. This here is the Elgato Cam Link, and similar to the Blackmagic web presenter that we spoke about the other day, this is going to convert your HDMI source, whether it's a GoPro or an SLR camera. It's going to convert it into a format that's going to be recognized by your PC as a webcam, which then allows you to use any of the live streaming apps to live stream that video feed. So while it does lack a few of the features of the web presenter, it's very portable. You can see it doesn't need any external power. You just plug your HDMI source in one end and the other end connects to your USB 3 port on your PC. If you haven't seen any of the earlier videos about how we use OBS and YouTube to live stream, we're going to go through and show you how to do that when we get back to the office. Alright, so we're back in the office now. We've got our GoPro camera connected via HDMI to our CamLink device. Now, I should have mentioned before, these CamLink devices, there's lots of different variations of that type of converter. So if you just do a search for HDMI to USB converter, you should be able to find something online. That type of hardware is in pretty short supply at the moment with everybody working from home and live streaming. So if you can't find that exact model, there are lots of other types out there. So let's go ahead and connect that to our USB 3 port. I'm going to open up OBS and YouTube and go through the process of live streaming. Alright guys, so we're in OBS and now we need to add a new video source. So we're going to click Add Video Capture Device. You can give it a name. Let's just leave it as Video Capture Device. Click OK. In the drop down, we're going to have all our available video sources. We want to choose Elgato Game Capture HD. And there you can see a preview of our footage. So that's a GoPro connected via HDMI to the CamLink device, which then connects into our USB 3 port. You can see there a nice view of our factory floor. Let's just go ahead and open that up a little bit. Now, once we've got our source coming in and all our streaming settings are configured, we can click Start Streaming. So this isn't going to be an exhaustive tutorial on the actual live streaming setup. We can possibly do that in another video, but from here you can start streaming. Now that's not actually doing anything until we've activated our streaming platform. So here we've got YouTube. We can go up, we can say go live. That's going to take us to the live streaming page. Now we can set up a stream using our last used settings, and that's convenient if you're always doing the same type of stream. It'll also keep the streaming key and the URL consistent between YouTube and OBS, so you don't need to change those. I'll show you what I mean by that in a minute, but let's just go ahead and copy and create. That's going to load up our settings that we used last time. So here we've got test, it's just the name. This is our privacy settings here. Public's obviously publicly broadcast. Unlisted is a good one. We use that one a lot to just set up a live stream and send the link to select viewers. So that's a handy one there. Private is only you can view. You can put a description there. Here you can schedule for in advance, but it doesn't actually matter. You'll see in a minute. You can start streaming whenever you like. No, not made for kids. Let's go ahead and save that. Now, since we've already started streaming over in OBS and we kept the same settings as last time, that means that this stream key and URL has remained the same. If you did set up a new stream, you need to change the stream key. It's generated by YouTube. You need to copy that over into the settings for OBS to make sure that they can talk to each other. But you can see here that it's recognized our preview here from OBS. We've got excellent connection, and it's telling us that once this is blue, tells us that we are able to go live. So if we click on that, it's going to enable the live feed. And now that's live now. So that's all there is to it, folks. The little CamLink devices, the HDMI to USB, they're really portable, really convenient, great for laptop live streaming. If you've got any questions on live streaming, underwater or otherwise, please let me know in the comments below, and thanks for watching.